So there's some pretty cool history with this truck right here. We had to catch a video while it was sitting here nice and clean. It's a 99 Ford F250 Superduty. This particular truck was actually the second truck for us ever to lift with a 8-inch suspension lift. We did plenty of leveling kits and 3- and 4-inch kits prior to this, but we did a black truck for a good friend of the family, sold it to him, and then a few days later this white one rolled in. So this was back in the day when we had springs stacked to the ceiling, tires and wheels galore. It was back prior to parts availability being a problem and all the things we deal with today. But this was a really cool truck, and actually same deal. We built this truck and sold it basically the next day to a woman. Happened to be her birthday, if I remember correct, and that was back in like 2000 or 2001, so it was an almost new truck. She in turn sold it to a customer of ours that brought it back for some upgrades, later to trade it in to us on another one, then for it to be traded back in once again on another newer truck. So we've had a lot of history with this truck. Still in great shape. 220,000 miles on her now. Still runs good. 6-passenger seating with the fold-up console, reverse opening door. No check engine lights or trouble codes. Pressures are good. 37-inch tires that I think are probably about a year old, with 14 wide 2-piece fuel wheels. Dual exhaust. Exhaust a little old. It's going to need an update soon, but still hanging in there. But a good looking truck. Kind of need to look back at how semi-primitive things used to be, with springs and sway bars, track bars, and dual steering stabilizer, stainless grille, color match visor, all stuff that we added to this truck. Like I said, it was a completely original stock truck all those years ago. Matter of fact, one customer that had traded it in one time ended up wanting something as a backup vehicle. He came and bought it back from us many years later to have it again. Pretty unique, some of the situational stories behind trucks, but if you take care of your customers, they do tend to come back, and this truck's a perfect example of that. Still going to serve somebody a good life at this point forward. A really good, solid vehicle. If you got any questions, give us a call. Check the website. This is a 99 Super Duty for $14,900, I believe it is. Getting ready to roll out for a fresh inspection and be up for grabs. Any questions on this or any others? Feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching.